Hello everyone, I'm Bahar and he's John. So have you ever wondered how and what happens to this prescription pill bottle when you're done with your medication? Well, the answer is staggering. 194 billion prescription pill bottles are dispensed every year in the US, and sadly, 174 of those prescription pill bottles are ended up into the landfill. These pill bottles are made of polypropylene, which takes 20 to 30 years to decompose in landfills. The manufacturing of each of these pill bottles generates approximately 70 grams of CO2 equivalent. Other than the environmental issues, these pill bottles they have private information about the patient. So in this topic, there are a few key challenges. One is collecting of all of these plastic pill bottles and repurposing them, increasing their life cycle, reducing their exposure to landfills, and secure the private information of the patients. So within these challenges, there is an opportunity, which is creating a circular economy for prescription pill bottles, and transforming a waste into a value-added product. So our solution is Rex Your RX, which is a smart circular process that collects, sanitizes, and repurposes these pill bottles with different applications. In our business model, we have identified several opportunities. One is collecting these pill bottles from different locations, including pharmacies, sanitizing them in our facility using sanitization station, and resell them to the pharmacies. So this can cover only a portion of the pill bottles that are collected due to some limitations from the FDA. We also can provide a third-party service to pharmacies in order to collect them and also secure and safely destroy the patient information. And the remaining pill bottles that are not sold to the pharmacies can be used in different applications such as cannabis, nursery, animal clinics, and other applications. So our process and our idea goes beyond the recycling and reuse and differentiated us with the other competitors. Our idea includes the safe destruction of the patient's private information and also generates jobs for people with disabilities in our collaboration with Arnold Center in Midland, Michigan.
So our project is championed by a strong collaborative team. Based in Midland, Michigan, the Axia Institute at Michigan State University, a leader in solving pharmaceutical value chain challenges with access to research and development, R&D, business development, and marketing expertise. The Arnold Center, Inc., a community nonprofit that supports people with disabilities, providing access to local collection resources and a letter of support, making them a potential partner. And we've also engaged with Meyer Pharmacy. We've used them as an advisor and believe they can continue providing us with guidance as we proceed. We've already seen promising results from a small-scale pilot at MSU St. Andrews, where over 300 pill bottles were collected in just 3 months from 15 employees. And from interviews, we know that Meyer Pharmacy in Midland dispenses over 1,000 prescriptions daily, highlighting the immense potential for collection. Our next steps involve a larger scale customer discovery, finalizing partnerships for a bigger pilot, and finally executing on that pilot. We believe this model can be replicated in different areas of Michigan as well as the country. To fund the execution of a paid pilot and secure end-user partnerships, we are asking for $50,000. This funding will be allocated toward personnel, which will support one driver from the Arnold Center to pick up bins and one packager to handle clean bottles, as well as one market researcher from Axia to study alternative uses for the pill bottles, and materials and supplies, which will cover 5 secure collection bins and one sanitizing station, as well as 3 staff members from both the Arnold Center and the Axia Institute. Ultimately, Rex Your RX champions several vital causes: circularity, diverting plastic waste from landfills, educating the community on the safe disposal of medications and bottles, and finally, creating job opportunities for people with disabilities. If during the pilot we can recover over 200,000 pill bottles in just one county, imagine the possibilities around the state and country. So I ask you, how many prescription bottles have you personally discarded in the last year? RexYourRx offers a novel solution to a growing environmental and societal challenge. Thank you. We are RexYourRx champions. Please feel free to reach out to either Bahar or myself with any questions. Thank you.